Ogu atandikire n'ishomero rya Katonya hamwe na Nyarusoroza omuri Nyakishenyi omuri Rubabo. Mathias Rwabugumi ogabira abeegi padi zezi nagira ngu padi zeri emwe aha nshonga etumire bamwe abaana baruga omu mashomero habw'okuba harimu abazaire abatarikwebaasa.
Abaana nibatandika primary 1 to primary 4 bari bingi konka kuruga P5 ka P7 ore namba nekyendera. So nyowe nk'omwebembezi orukunda entunguka ninga orukunda community nagira ngu ntwara kire nchondoze ebirukureta abaana kukira munonga abishiki baruga omu mashomero batakahereze menshi omuri ebyo bimbase kushangamu nshangiremu enshonga nyingi konka nashangamu enshonga ya sanitary pads.
Alabinga abaana betaaga okubeera n'ebyo kussa abaana abawala ensonga nti abaana abasinga basigala ewaka kubanga tebalina byakozesa ng'ebyo. Abaana batya omwana omuto agenda bw'atandika okugenda mu nsonga z'ekikazi asigala ewaka.
Rwabugumi nayongera agira ngu naza kugumizamu ihuriro egyo kwetoroora Rubabo yoona n'okureeba omwana w'omwishiki yayambwa.
Abo kwankeriza obo kutwaza omuri Katonya twashanga Katonya Primary School eyina abaana bagira omu micwe bari omu P1 yinemu abaana bashatu abatandikire kuza omu micwe P2 P3 up to P7 yo twashanga buri class ine.
Twashanga tomire sitoro yinemu kabusha kandi tisera musambwe na tora bwanira mugwe na tugayo washanga katomire just leave it for that day ronde chi akanda kora process kayo majakale dry no kujirota process.
Bamwe abeegi abatungereza padi zezi basimire ngu habw'okuba n'amazima abazaire bamwe babere batarikubaasa kuzibagurira.
Ndasimaho nareba Mathias Rwabugumi okutuha padi ngezibonire nkabati ndamusima n'engaro mpango nyingi muno.
Abazaire bafite babiri bati n'esente zo kugura padi ngiye natwe twazibona ziboneye munonga ndamusima.
Omakuru agandi abashomero mu itendekero ya Kigezi College Butobere batongwize entebeekanisa ya Senior Academic Fund kuhwera abeegi abine obwengye bitu barikuteganisibwa ebishare by'ishomero. Entebeekanisa egi etongozibwa aba babere bari omu keemuruko ka buri mwaka kamanyire nka Senior Day aha mbuga z'ishomero ezirikushanga omuri Butobere omu municipality ya Kabare.
As we speak right now, we already have around 40 million which has been deposited on the account. Some has been used and others are.
Twatongoza kitweta ngo ni Senior Academic Fund ningashi kubasa kugira ngo turundane sente zo kubasa kuyamba abo bana abino bwenje nka batakwebasa kunka barasa kwika ebizamu kurunji twine nka Butobere twine challenge omwana tumushemba tushamesa mu senior ya kashatu ninga mu ya katano private schools zibagura zibatwara mu mashomero gabo cyaba yeseyo bakoreza bajya mu bagize bayishira.
Aba borekero butashemererwa na government abo kucereza entebeekanisa eyabiregendeye kunduza ishomereri eyabirebarirwamo obuhumbi bushatu no kweyongerayo.
We have had a challenge. My second concern is that we have had a challenge with the renovation drive or exercise of this school. We did our part as staff and did whatever it takes to ensure that Kigezi College Butobere is renovated. However, along the way, we saw a letter that was stopping the renovation exercise. As you can see, the school is not in good shape.
I'm proud to announce the great improvement in students' discipline, orderliness, and respect for one another in the school. Creating a positive and respectful school environment is essential for fostering a conducive learning atmosphere and promoting a sense of community among students.
RDC wa Kabare Godfrey Nyakahuma obirari omugenyi mukuru ha mukoro ogu ashabire beegi okugira emicwe baba bari abo kukora kurungi omishomo yabo.
That when you are disciplined everything is going to be history.
Nyakahuma yerekere no ku gavumenti ekine kyetengo cyo kuhera amashomero agakuzire aho ubutobere nayo rukubarirwa omukoro gutebekanisibwa hansi y'omutwe gwa Restoration of Legacy We All Cherish kandi sente zirengera miliyoni 5 zirondinwe omuhurure ya miliyoni 3 ezirikwetengwa kushikiriza ekigendererwa eki Gashakwa Dan basibiye na Job Namanya.